Rachel, my darling daughter, from the moment you came into this world, you brought a light and joy that has only grown brighter with time. Today, as I look at the radiant bride before me, I am filled with a mix of emotions, a bittersweet blend of nostalgia and excitement for the future that awaits you. As your father, I've been fortunate to witness your journey, your growth, and your remarkable spirit.
When I met Samir, I could tell he was a little bit different. Not that he took school any less seriously though, that's for sure. The difference with Samir is that air of being a great student was not just a temporary facade. Samir was still taking school seriously, still aiming high, even after most others realized that there was more to life than maintaining a 97 average.
Today is a day of unparalleled joy and celebration as we gather here to witness the union of two beautiful souls.
So we gather here to celebrate this very union between these two future leaders, mashallah, and want to see the best result in the near future. These are four main pillars of this trust. First one is unconditional love, complete love. Second one is having a complete, fruitful communication. Third one is to be honest to each other. The fourth one is to forgive each other. If you do that, Holy Prophet is going to promise you that I'm going to make your journey as joyful, as blessed as you can think of. And may Allah Almighty bless all of us. I would like to thank the family members for having me in this joyful moment.
And as friends, we have witnessed the countless ways in which the two of you support each other and encourage each other, both during running and also in all aspects of life.
And so I would encourage you both to spend time with one another, right? To be there, right? Clothing also a part of our identity. Your identities have merged now together. You are a couple, mashallah.
All of my congratulations. I'm so happy that I get to be your best man, and I think you guys make the perfect couple, and just looking forward to making more memories with you all, and love you both.